So here in the last period we have seen the definition of the metric and definition of the metric space. So in short, I revise the definition of a metric and metric space. So if here we have X be any non-empty set, if X is any non-empty set, and suppose here if D is a mapping, so D is a mapping, but this mapping is such that, so the domain of this mapping is a X cross X and range is a R plus, that is a set of all positive real numbers including 0, and domain is a Cartesian product of X with itself, that is this set, the domain is a set of all order pairs. So this mapping D is such that it has the elements order pairs and the range is a real numbers, positive real numbers, and again here including 0. So this mapping is such that the image of order pair is a real number. Image of order pair is a positive real number or 0. So the elements of this set is a like X comma Y, and here the image of this order pair under the function is a some suppose here some real number A. So X is a non-empty set and D is a mapping. So if this mapping satisfies the 4 conditions, so in the first condition is a non-negative, that is distance between XY should be greater than equal to 0. Second condition, that is distance between XY is equal to 0 if X is equal to Y. Third condition, that is distance between XY is equal to distance between YX, and last condition is a for any 3 element of XYZ of X, distance between XY is less than equal to distance between XZ plus distance between ZY. So here if this 4 properties satisfies, then this given mapping or function D is a metric on X, and if D is a metric on X, then X is said to be a metric space. So this metric function is said to be the distance function also. So here we have to see here example of a metric and a metric space. So here we have given here this example, that is here R be the set of real numbers with the function D. So on this so in the definition of metric space we have given that non-empty set X, but here in this example we have given this set is a set of real numbers and the mapping D, so which is defined by distance between X comma Y, that is here this is a function. So here usually for the function of single variable we write f of X is equal to Y, that is Y is the image of this element X under this function. But here for the order pair, image of order pair f of X comma Y, f of X comma Y is something here we about here this function, metric function, it gives a single real number. So here so this function is defined by, so how the value is value under this function is find, distance between X and Y can be obtained by here this, by taking the value of X minus Y and its modulus. So for any 2 elements of R, so the value of function for any order pair is obtained by taking the modulus of difference of these 2 real numbers. Suppose here I take here example of this function. Suppose I have so 3 and 4, these are the real numbers, these are any 2 element of R, And so how to find here value of d of 3 comma 4? So d of 3 comma 4 is obtained by just by this function formula. It is obtained by mod of x minus y. So mod of 3 minus 4. So mod of 3 minus 4, so which is equal to mod of 3 minus 4 is a minus 1, and mod of minus 1 is a. So here, now here we prove here, we have to now show that this function d satisfies all the 4 properties of metric. So we prove here one by one properties. So first property in the definition is that is d of x comma y should be greater than equal to 0. So here we prove here first condition. So by the definition of modulus function, since mod of x minus y is greater than equal to 0. So here as we have the definition of the modulus function, that is mod of x, mod function is given by mod of x, which is equal to, this gives here plus x if x is greater than 0, and value of mod of x is a minus x if x is less than 0. So that is here for the any real number this function is defined. So if x is a positive, then this gives a, suppose x is a 2, then mod of 2 is a 2, and for suppose here I have minus 3 belong to R, and minus 3 is a negative real number, and minus 3 is a negative real number, that's why it gives minus of that real number. So mod of minus 3 is equal to minus of minus 3, and this is plus 3. So here, so first condition is a, that is here, since mod of x minus y is greater than equal to 0. So by the definition, for any two real numbers, the difference of the real numbers and again its modulus is greater than equal to 0. Suppose I have here 5 and 6. So these are any real numbers, and here 5 minus 6, its modulus is equal to 5 minus 6 is minus 1, and here again mod of minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. So this is true for any two real numbers. So that is difference of two real numbers is greater than equal to 0. So here, since mod of any two real numbers, mod of difference of any two real numbers is greater than equal to 0, and here this is nothing but our given function, therefore d of xy is greater than equal to 0. And second condition is a mod of x minus y is equal to 0 for any two real number. So this is true if and only if x is equal to y. If these two are equal, then their difference is 0 and modulus is 0. So but here this is nothing but our given metric, that is d of xy is equal to 0 if and only if x is equal to y. So here second condition is also satisfied, and here last condition, that is mod of x minus y is equal to mod of y minus x. So we can verify this for suppose 3 and 4. So 3 comma 4 belong to R, and here mod of 3 minus 4, mod of 3 minus 4 is equal to mod of minus 1 is equal to plus 1, and again mod of 4 minus 3, mod of 4 minus 3 is equal to, its value is a plus 1, and again its modulus is a 1. So both are equal. So this is true for any two real numbers. So that's why we have this is true, and this is nothing but distance between x comma y, and this is nothing but distance between y and x. This is by the as the given function is defined. And last is a triangle inequality. So triangle inequality, for the triangle inequality we consider mod of x minus y. So in this mod of x minus y, we add and subtract here this z. We subtract z and again add z. So that is we have this. And now here I want to use here one modulus property. The property modulus property is a so mod of a plus b is less than equal to mod a plus mod b. So this is true for all, for any two real numbers. So likely here this difference x minus z is some real number, because x and z are real numbers, so their difference is a real number, and z minus y, this difference is another real number. So now this modulus is a sum of this real number plus this real number, and by using this modulus property, so mod of sum of the two real numbers is less than equal to mod of this real number plus mod of this real number. But here by the definition of the given function, so this is nothing but d of xy is less than equal to, further this is d of xz plus d of zy. So again here triangle inequality is also satisfied. We use here this modulus property here. Here the difference of x minus z is the difference of two real numbers, and difference of two real numbers is a real number, and again here this difference is a one real number. So I have here sum of the two real numbers, and by using this property, here mod of sum of the two real numbers is less than equal to mod of this real number plus mod of this real number, and again by the definition of this given mapping, so this is nothing but d of xy, this is the d of xz plus d of zy. So here triangle inequality is also satisfied. So by the definition of metric, so this given function with respect to the element of R satisfies all the four properties, and that's why D is a metric on X. So I write here, therefore D is a metric on R, and if D is a metric on R, therefore this non-empty set R, this R is said to be, R is a metric space. R is a metric space. Now here one important thing I want to mention here. So on the set of real numbers, so this metric, that is a metric defined in this way, mod of x minus y, this metric is said to be usual metric, and R is said to be the usual metric space.